Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video I will show you how to open a new Zoom account. So first you need to be signed in on your Zoom website zoom.us or on your app Zoom Workplace that you can get from Microsoft Store or from the website. Secondly, you need to go to the top right corner and click on sign out. Once you signed out, just go all the way down into sign up. Then here you will type your email address or just copy paste it. Then continue. Alright, here they will send you a verification code to your email. Okay, click on your email, go into your email, and then you will get your verification code. Copy it and then sorry and then pass it into Zoom app. Click on verify. Here you will type your first name, for example, and last name, and then you will create a strong password. This phase is for the educators. If you are going to use Zoom Workplace for educational purposes, then click on it. If you are not, like me, don't check it, and then continue. And that's it. That's how to open a new Zoom account. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. See you next video. Bye bye.